Welcome to the fascinating world of Igbo history. The Igbo people, an ethnic group from southeastern Nigeria, have a rich and vibrant culture that is steeped in tradition and legend. In this video we'll explore the Battle of Ogidi, a legendary conflict that shaped the course of Igbo history. The Battle of Ogidi took place in the 14th century, a time when the African continent was home to many thriving and sophisticated civilizations. During the reign of the ancient Igbo kingdom of Nri, which was renowned for its cultural and political influence across the region. The kingdom was known for its powerful and wise rulers, who were revered not only for their leadership, but also for their ability to maintain harmony among their people. These rulers ensured peace and prosperity through their wise leadership, fostering a sense of unity and stability that was the envy of neighboring kingdoms. However, a rival kingdom, the kingdom of Aguleri, sought to challenge Nri's dominance. Aguleri's ambitions were driven by a desire to expand their own influence and control over the region. This rivalry eventually sparked a devastating war, marking a significant and tumultuous period in the history of these ancient African kingdoms. The Battle of Ogidi was a fierce and brutal conflict that tested the strength and resilience of the Igbo people. It lasted for many days, with both sides showing incredible determination and courage. The Nri kingdom, led by their brave and cunning ruler, Eze Nri, fought valiantly against the Aguleri kingdom. Eze Nri's leadership was instrumental in rallying his warriors and devising strategies that would outsmart their opponents. Despite being outnumbered, the Nri kingdom emerged victorious, thanks to their superior strategy and bravery. The warriors' unyielding spirit and tactical prowess turned the tide of the battle in their favor. The battle marked a significant turning point in Igbo history, cementing Nri's dominance and establishing the kingdom as a major power in the region. This victory not only secured their territory but also boosted the morale and unity of the Igbo people, leaving a lasting legacy that would be remembered for generations. The Battle of Ogidi has left a lasting legacy in Igbo culture and history. This significant event is remembered not just for its immediate impact, but for the way it shaped the future of the Igbo people. The battle is still celebrated in Igbo folklore and tradition, with annual festivals and dances that keep the memory alive. These celebrations are a testament to the enduring spirit of the Igbo community. Its heroes are revered as champions of Igbo pride and resilience. Statues and monuments have been erected in their honor, and their stories are passed down through generations. The battle also marked the beginning of a golden age in Igbo history, a period of prosperity and cultural development that saw the rise of great leaders and thinkers. During this time, the Nri kingdom flourished, becoming a center of trade, art, and spirituality. The kingdom's influence extended far and wide, leaving a lasting imprint on the region. Igbo culture reached new heights with advancements in art, architecture, and cultural ceremonies that are still admired today. The legacy of the Battle of Ogidi continues to inspire and shape the identity of the Igbo people. The Battle of Ogidi is a testament to the bravery, cunning, and resilience of the Igbo people. It is a reminder of the rich and fascinating history of the Igbo people, and the importance of preserving and celebrating our cultural heritage.